What's going on, guys? I'm ZLine and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you on how you can download the IPSW of iOS 14 Beta 1. If we're going to the settings, software update, I am below 13.5.1. So now what you're going to do is head into Safari and you want to come to this website. I will put in the description down below. But anyways, you want to scroll down until you see the iOS 14 download. You want to click the little download button. It will come up with this prompt and you want to click allow. Profile downloaded. You want to head into your settings, go down to profiles and you'll see the profile there. I'm going to click install, put in your password, then click install and install again. It will ask you to restart your phone. Once you come back, you want to head into your settings, click on software update and you'll see it right there. It's as easy as that. Then you want to click on the download and install button. Once it's installed, it will restart your phone and then you'll have it. It's as simple as that. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. If you want me to do more iOS related videos, please comment down below and I'll see what I can do. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.